Good morning, sunshine. So today is Tuesday. We're gonna try and do this daily vlog thing. I just felt like wearing lipstick today. Why not? Yeah. So I'm gonna try to do some daily vlogging even though I'm at work. There's this Okazu place that I hope I can get there in time for. It was, I think I might get there in time because right now it's 8. I'll be at work at 9, 10, or maybe not, because they only cook until they run out of food. Sorry, but this is the best I can do today. It's gonna be like on a slant. I better go before the trash guy comes and blocks me or whatever. But anywho, today is Tuesday. We're gonna do daily vlogging. Why not? Gotta get back into it. Yeah, it's not so in Hawaii, all you gotta do is work unless you got like millions of subscribers and stuff. Then maybe I can stay home. But I can't quit my day job, that's for sure. But anyways, yeah, tomorrow I'm off, so not too sure what I'll do tomorrow. Maybe take Novea to the beach or something, like in the morning. Not too sure. We'll see what happens. I want to take her like to the beach or something though. We'll see if that even happens because it's hard to find like a nice beach. Well, I went to a nice beach. I really liked that beach the last time when she was swimming in the water. I liked that beach, but it's like all the way down, but it's not too bad. But anyways, yeah, so I'm off to work again. That's the way of the life, right? That's life. And I had a late start, so I really started working when I was 45, 46, because I was like goofing around most of my life. And it's like, if you're in that kind of life, I suggest you don't do it, because it took away a lot of my life and my kids' life away from us, you know. Like I wasn't there to raise them, because, you know. So yeah, I wish I could have done it all over again and done it better, but can't. So just gotta make the best of what I can do today, you know. Just gotta do what you gotta do. But anyways, yeah, so I'll see you guys in later. Maybe if I catch the Okazuya place, then I will vlog it. So hopefully we can get food there. See all the powder. Ooh. When somebody calls in sick, or sometimes I just help with putting up the merchandise on the wall. I just put all of these on the wall and help out. Okay, we're just gonna try Mahaloha Burger. Just try that one. Alrighty guys, so look my lip now. I tried to wipe it off because I don't want it no more. But anyway, I'm just having avocado Swiss burger with french fries and water. So it was like $17 for the whole thing, the fries and the hamburger. I know it's expensive and stuff, but I was hungry. And so they have happy hour. Oh, that's Kona Brewing. Okay, what else do they have? So I don't know what is that on the other side, but yeah. Aloha. All right. Got some visitors there. Yeah. I didn't know that you could make it into a lettuce wrap until somebody else was ordering, but it's already too late. I'll eat the bread for now. Next time, if I come here again, I'll get the lettuce wrap. But they have different kinds of french fries. They have truffle, bacon, cheese, garlic. They have onion rings and sweet potato fries and a regular one. So, and they also have cheeseburger sliders, but I wanted the avocado, so that's why I got the burger I got. Okay, so I got my lunch. The avocados. Alrighty, so that's it right there. Alrighty guys, so I'm just gonna do a small vlog on this burger. I am already full. I'm already full. I can't eat it. Let's take it. Alright guys, so yeah, that was okay, the burger. Yeah, but the prices in Hawaii is, you know, of course everything is high priced, right? So $17 for that. No drink, just that and the fries. And I'm gonna give some of the fries to the chickens when I go to the other store. And let them be like, oh, she's feeding the birds. Anyway, yeah, it's a place to check out. Alrighty, so that is it for that video. Will I go again? Probably not. Probably not. Not that it's not junk. I mean, not that it's junk or whatever. But just because it's like, oh wow. Hang on, I'm letting everybody pass. So there's this lady walking across the street with her baby. And this other car just turned. Like, doesn't even look if there's people in there. So I wouldn't stop, dummy. But anyways, yeah, not that it's junk, but it's probably because it's a kind of like $17 for just that and no drink. But anyways, yeah, I will probably not go back there unless, yeah. So I think I went there twice, 2 times in my whole life. I think me and my sister went there once. Yeah, I just thought I'd do a video of some food. I was gonna go another place, but it was a little bit far from where I am, so that was the closest place. And I will see you all in my next video.